Hi, I'm Jarrod Carman, and this is Hugo, the boss Carman, and we're at 29 Paperbark Drive in gorgeous Mount Martha.
There's a fire.
Yes, there's a fire out there.
And there's a trampoline.
Yes, and what else?
And there's a pool.
There's a pool, there's a heated pool out there. How many bedrooms? There's 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
3 bathrooms.
Yes.
So it's got 2 ensuite bathrooms. This home has everything. It's amazing, and you need to come inside and check it out. What do you think? Go check it out. From entry, you'll see this is an amazing home, set up for family enjoyment. Look at you go. Main bedroom there with its own ensuite. Amazing living area right here. Isn't it cool, mate? Sure. With the kids and friends settled in the front lounge room, you've got this amazing open plan kitchen area, great dining room, and it looks out to the pool and outdoor entertaining. It's a ripper. Cool thing about this house too that you need to check out is the second main bedroom and the ensuite bathroom down the back. Good. This fantastic house has such a cool floor plan. It's laid out beautifully. You've got a second main bedroom down the back with a brand new ensuite bathroom. And you lie in bed and look straight out to the pool. This amazing family home is set up perfectly for family bonding. You've got awesome living areas, and then it spills out to this unreal entertaining area. Fully undercover, you've got a pool, beautiful fireplace, built-in barbecue, a bar. It's got everything, hasn't it, Hugo? It's amazing. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime, or my team, or we'll see you at the open.